Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I built this vanity mirror frame for my makeup studio room, and I'm super excited, so I'm just going to jump straight into the video. So for this project, you'll need a styrofoam board. I got it for $10 at Lowe's. Some glue and or command strips. I use the command strips because the glue wasn't working for me, but if you have someone with you, you can use the glue. I use scissors for this project, but I highly recommend a box cutter because it's so difficult to cut the styrofoam. I got bushels of flowers from Hobby Lobby. A lot of people want to know how I did this desk. It is literally so simple. I just painted it white, changed the handles, and put marble deco paper that you can get at Walmart all over the desk in the places that I did not paint. It's really simple. I did not record it, unfortunately. I broke my nail doing this. I know it's in every clip literally, but don't judge me. So right now I'm just sticking the flowers into the styrofoam board and bending them a little so that they can stay stable in there. And the styrofoam is so hard to cut, like I said, so yeah. I definitely wish that I went more flower crazy. I was nervous that I was going to run out of flowers, so I was adding leaves just to stretch and for decoration purposes. But if you want to go all flowers and flowers only, I definitely recommend it. So this is the bottom of the frame that is going to be right there at the bottom of the mirror. I think I did a pretty good job. So here is the result. It's not exactly what I thought it would be, so I think I'm gonna stick some flowers in this part so that that's kind of more invisible. So when I first finished, this is how it looked. All I did is add more flowers at that bottom part just to cover the styrofoam completely, because I don't want it looking like I got a styrofoam board around my mirror. I want it to look like a frame. So it's done now, and this is how it looks. I did end up like shifting that top left corner a little bit so that it could be even with the other side, and I love it. I use scissors to cut these flowers and cut these leaves. It was so hard, like it was really hard, so I recommend using wire cutters and a box cutter. I just use some Family Dollar scissors. As you can see, this project is very messy. Like, be prepared to clean up. The styrofoam gets everywhere. But this only took me 4 hours tops. I went back and forth to the store. I took a lunch break. I did the most. I say it would only take someone 2 hours if they sit down and knock it out. I personally did not do that, so. But thumbs up this video and comment down below if you want to see more DIYs like this. I will be making over this entire room. So if you want to follow that journey, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you can get notifications. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.